Alright guys, so for today's video, I have absolutely zero direction. I'm just gonna make whatever I make, whatever happens. That's just what it's gonna be. So yeah, let's get right to it. Let's do like 100, let's do 107 BPM. I'm gonna go to expand and let's get a chime. Pretty chime. Our scale is C minor. So I'm gonna start with the root note. And I'm just gonna build out like a chord right here. Do a minor 7. And then let's take this chord and let's move it up. Let's move it up 2. And let's fix these notes. Let's pitch this one up.
12 seconds later.
Just make this repeat. Let's layer this with let's try gentle chimes. Let's take out these top notes for this sound. Let's move these notes. Let's just move them over a little bit. Let's add a spreader to these chords. Just EQ this. Let's add like a jerk clap. I'm gonna go to my Me kit, which is out now, and I'm gonna grab a lead. Let's grab this one. It's like my favorite one right now. Let's put this tension up, put the hold up. Let's put the release down. Go over here to the wrench, porta on, mono on, and now our one shot glides. Okay, so let's add the same preset. We need to layer those chords with something better, because that sound's not really cutting it. Let's go back to expand. I'm using expand a lot. I need to get like maybe like a synth. Let's try poly synth saw to square. Let's copy those chords, paste them in here. Yeah, I need to take these chords here. We need to shorten these. So hold shift command, and then you can select multiple notes. Let's do a different sound. We need something like sharp. And then let's layer these chords. We still need like a nice thick sound, no diddy. It's gonna pop wet and fat. Let's try that.
Twenty minutes later.
What if we pitch these up and then pitch this chord down? And let's invert it. Yeah, let's change the chords to this. Command B. Pitch these up. What if we get rid of the chords? Just keep that. Put put the release all the way down. Okay, let's add a bass. Let's go back into expand and let's grab a synth bass. Let's halftime these chimes. Let's go to grow speed, momentary, half speed. Let's add a clap. Let's just try this kind of vibe. Replace that clap with the snare. Let's try to add a Jersey kick. Yeah, let's do this. Check out the highs here. Let's try a different lead sound. So let's take these notes here, hold shift command, and then just click and select, hit command X. And then we're gonna paste these into a different sound. Maybe that. Try a different sound. Okay, let's clone that. Well, let's take these, but keep those kind of like stab notes. So hold shift command, hit command X. It's tough. Let's add a compressor to this lead, just so that delay hits like way harder. I'm doing my Met kit and grab an open hat. Let's just get that kind of like house vibe. And let's turn up the start, go to the envelope. Let's turn up the tension here, just so we can make it more like housey. And then go over here to the wrench and cut itself. And then right click right here, fill each 4-step, and then right click again, advanced fill, and then we're gonna turn it that much so it's like on the 3rd. Hit accept. Let's add this note here, and then turn the velocity all the way down by holding option scroll wheel down, and then we'll do the same right there. Ooh. Let's add a gross beat to this, and then let's do like a, let's try a trance pattern. Is that a snap? Yeah, let's do this snap. Then maybe we take that clap out completely. Let's pitch this one down. Take all these melodies, hold shift command. Let's go till 9. Right click, route to this track only. I'm gonna go to my Me and Me kit and I'm gonna go to mixers. Let's grab this one, melt master with delay. Got a spreader. Turn it down a little bit. Let's add a pan flow to that lead. Make it pan like left and right. Oh, it's gonna have this lead. Let's add a stutter.
A few moments later.
This shit is crazy. I don't know what kind of genre or what this is, but this shit is wavy for sure. Let's try a different pattern. Guys, I just decided to make a video, absolutely zero direction for it, and this is what I made. If you guys have any ideas for what we should call this genre, comment down below. I really have no clue. I was just having fun and this is what happened. If you guys want my drum kit, Me and Me, go get it. Links in the description. It's on sale right now with my Xenology bank included. Sale ends tonight, so go check it out and hit that subscribe. Road to 10K, we're almost there. Let's get it. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at ProudMaze. Follow UNDERDOGS.OOO. If you guys want any drum kits, links are down below. And till next time, peace.